If you ever paused a YouTube video and want to continue watching it later on Firefox, this video will show you the fastest way to get back to it without starting over. Whether you accidentally close the tab, switch to another page, or just want to pick up where you left off, Firefox makes it easy as long as you know where to look. Before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. Once Firefox is open, the next step is to return to YouTube. If the tab is still open, simply go back to the YouTube tab where the video was playing. In many cases, your paused video will still be right there waiting for you, and you can press play to continue watching immediately. If you close the tab by mistake, don't worry. Open YouTube again in Firefox and sign in to your account if you are not already logged in. Logging in is important because your watch history and saved progress are tied to your YouTube account. Once you are signed in, look for the History section. You can usually find this in the left side menu on YouTube or by going directly to your History page. Click on History and YouTube will show you the list of videos you've watched recently. Find the video you were watching before it was paused or closed. In most cases, it will appear near the top of the list if you watched it recently. Click on that video and YouTube should resume from where you left off or bring you right back to the point you stopped watching. This is the easiest way to continue watching a paused YouTube video on Firefox without searching for it all over again. If the progress does not resume exactly where you expected, just scrub the timeline a little to find your last spot and keep watching from there. Also, if you use Firefox often, staying signed into YouTube will make this process much smoother the next time you come back. So to recap, open Firefox, return to YouTube, sign into your account if needed, open History, and click the video to resume watching. It's a simple process, but it can save you time and help you get back to your content fast. If this tutorial helped, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.